Hi everyone. What would it mean to you if you could earn another £100 on top of what you already earn? What about £500 extra or £1,000? And what if you could build that up eventually to completely replace your current income so that you could stop working and you would have more time for your family, your hobbies, travel, or whatever it is that you want to do? Perhaps you're already working and earning an okay salary, but you just never seem to have enough time for anything else in your life because everything's about work, work, work. Or perhaps you're a stay-at-home mum or dad and your life is really stressed and busy, but you know there's more to life than this. Perhaps you have very little money and life just seems to be one struggle after another. Perhaps you're worried about how you're going to pay for food and energy this winter. Perhaps you're retired or near retirement and you're wondering whether your pension is going to be enough for you to live on. My name is Kathryn and I'm a part-time teacher in the UK. So no, I'm not yet self-employed, but that is definitely one of my goals. I've taught all ages from 4 years to 75 years. I came to the UK from South Africa in 2001 because I believed it would provide more security and financial opportunities for my family. Even way back then, I was already shocked at how expensive rent, childcare and petrol were in the UK. Fast forward to 2022 and we're all facing rising inflation, food scarcity and global socio-political changes, which will mean more difficult lives for ordinary people. To be honest, I've tried lots of different things in my life. I'm not one to sit still. So besides being a teacher, I've been a children's author, I've been a researcher of psychometrics of populations, and I've been an internet affiliate marketer. And all of those things gave me skills and experiences that have brought me to the point where I am today. So I'm grateful for them. There were numerous difficulties. For example, maybe it was really challenging to market those, or the compensations plans were overly complicated or something like that. And then I met some people who are very successful with this nutritional supplements opportunity. And I was immediately struck by how simple and transparent this opportunity is compared to others, and also how friendly and supportive these people were. I was very excited to get on board. I could see the immense potential of this opportunity more than anything else. This opportunity is simply about using your own health supplements, and they replace any health supplements you might already take, so they're not going to cost you anything extra. And then referring them to others. So not only are you looking after your own health, and what could be more important, but these supplements are really good, and there are hundreds of positive reviews and anecdotes from people all across the world about them. And then if the people you refer them to decide to buy their own and use their own, then you get a bonus payment. It's that simple. And it's completely scalable, which means that the more people you refer it to, if you and them are all taking your own health products and referring them to others, then your bonus payments, i.e. your income, will continue to grow. And the beauty of it is, so will theirs, and so will the incomes of the people they refer to. So not only are you looking after yourself, but you are also helping others to achieve success. So it's a win-win. So I'm going to ask you again, what would it mean if you had an extra £100 a month on top of what you already earn? What about £500 or £1,000? And what would it mean to you if you could eventually build up to completely replacing your current income and much more, so that you could follow your dreams? If you're interested in this opportunity, ping me an email via the form on this website or via the link, and we'll talk soon. Take care.